We have a table or multiple tables in a database and we'd like to see the data. So that's where we run the select statement. The select statement queries through the table or tables and gets us that data. And we can choose the format and the fields and the columns and the number of rows that we'd like to see there. So where do we use the select statement? We could use it on the interface for the database, such as SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio and SQL Server, or SQL Plus or SQL Developer or OEM in the case of Oracle, and all the other major databases have their own user interface. In addition to that, we can also use it within the front end or business intelligence tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and that is why it's a very powerful tool and a skill to know and be able to use the select statement proficiently. Now let's review the syntax for the select statement. As we can see the table, we have a table that has the customer ID, the customer name, the contact name, the address, the city, the postal code, and country. If I would like to see some of those columns or all of those columns, there's two ways to do it. And so you type in select, and then the list of columns with a comma after each one, except for the last one. So I can put in select, then column number 1, comma, column number 2, comma, not a comma after the last one, and then from, and you identify the table you're getting the data from. If you would like to select all the columns, then you don't have to type all the columns separated by a comma, but simply that asterisk or star means that you want to get all of the columns. So let's examine this first example. The table name is the customers table. If we would like to select all the fields, then we could type the first statement, which is select star or asterisk from customers. Suppose we're only interested in seeing the customer name and city, then we would type select customer name, comma, city from customers. And that will only show us the result set with the customer name and the city from the customers table. So now let's look at this example. We have a table called the customers table. It has the ID, the name, the age, the address, and salary. If we're looking to select all of the fields, in the first example on the left side, all we have to do is type select asterisk from customers, and that gets us all the fields and all the data that's in there. Suppose we're only interested in the ID, the name, and salary. Then we type select ID, comma, name, comma, salary from customers. With this, we come to the end of this session, and we'd like to thank you for joining us. And also don't hesitate to visit our website at learnitcoursesonline.com to leave your feedback and reviews. And also look at our events. We have a lot of free sessions, and we'd be more than happy to have you join at any given time, and also sign up with us for our newsletter. Thank you and have a wonderful time.